I slowly kneel down. I slowly kneel down. The bell rings loudly. The bell rings loudly. I feel very sleepy. I feel very sleepy.
My keys are in my pocket. My keys are in my pocket. I touch the candle wick. I touch the candle wick.
I turn on the lamp. I turn on the lamp.
I am touching my nose. I am touching my nose. I am cutting vegetables before cooking.
I am.
Cutting vegetables before cooking.
I hold a small mirror. I hold a small mirror.
I pick up a small stone. I pick up a small stone. I slipped and fell down. I slipped and fell down. I am raising my right hand. I am raising my right hand. I slowly walk forward. I slowly walk forward. I open a wooden drawer. I open a wooden drawer. I am cleaning my room before guests arrive.
I am cleaning
My room before guests arrive. I lock my bike before entering the shop. I lock my bike before entering the shop. I cover my mouth while yawning. I cover my mouth while yawning. I lock the door before going out. I lock the door before going out. I balance on one leg. I balance on one leg. I drink water after exercise. I drink water after exercise. I am brushing my teeth before sleeping. I am brushing my teeth before sleeping. I am locking the door before sleeping. I am locking the door before sleeping. I am tying my shoes before going outside. I am tying my shoes before going outside. I wash the dishes after eating. I wash the dishes after eating.
I pick up a dry stick. I pick up a dry stick.
I clean the table before dinner. I clean the table before dinner. I check my bag before leaving home. I check my bag before leaving home. I feel relaxed and happy. I feel relaxed and happy.
The bottle cracks loudly. The bottle cracks loudly.
My phone slips from my pocket.
Whoa!
My phone slips from my pocket. I calmly stand straight. I calmly stand straight. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to learn more.